Welcome back, guys, to episode 2 of Jake and Angel Survival. We've probably been, since about an hour, no, 30 minutes, I guess, since we filmed the last segment, part 1. But take a look at what we got going on here. Some sheer rock climbs ahead of us, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know if I can do it, but let's go. Let's do this thing. Let's go. We can do it. Earlier, while we were off air, we came in contact with a deer.
Killed it.
What we did was, Angel jumped on his back, choked it out, but he wound up getting up. It wasn't a clean kill. So I put my foot down on its neck, and Angel yanked up, broke its neck. Took a couple pictures of it, and a couple goofy pictures. And we cooked it on the fire, ate it, got some well-needed energy, and yeah, all that in 30 minutes. So, let's go.
Ancient civilization used to be here.
Yeah, they went to the Mayans thousands of years ago. Check this land. Probably not. Probably some Indians, some different tribes. Probably not Mayans. But yeah, this is it. Yep. Okay, let's go.
Is there a view over here?
Let's see if there's a grand view. That's what we've been hiking for hours now, is the unparalleled view. No, nothing yet. No view. But I can guarantee if we get up to the top of this, all this rock and rubble will be able to find some sort of nice view, maybe some clean fresh water. Maybe this is some sort of dried out lake bed. Probably not, but you never know. It looks like some sort of water came through here. Okay, I think before we reveal this to you, let it be known that there's gonna be some eye candy of a view right here, and I just want to prepare you for anything really. So let's look at this. Let's see what we've got going on right over here. No, there's nothing. There literally isn't anything over here. I mean, I could watch paint dry and it might just be a little bit better than this. See if these trees were cleared here. It looks just below the fog. Perfect view. But no, these trees are here, so no, we don't got anything. We actually lost our trail. We should probably get back to our trail. Oh, look at this. Secret pathway.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Nice. Oh, whoa, almost fell.
Look at that. Oh, it's just amazing. Now, If we could get up there, that'd be good, but no, we can't. We can't do that. I'd like to say again, I am a Bear Grylls expert, not a survival expert. As you can see here, clearly, this is a riverbank, clearly. Right here.
Oh, aliens.
Okay. What's going on here? We have some sort of rock formation. Probably.
It appears to be human-like.
It looks like it could be a little boy. Maybe an abduction by an alien of some sort. And then made that to show the sign of where he was taken. Yeah. Let's keep going.
That's a jerk thing to do, Jake. Oh, let's see the view over here. It's a drop off here.
Okay, time out. Before we show you this, let it be known that this is the view that we've been hiking for hours here. This is it. I feel it. Let's go.
I feel it in my giblets. Camping. Oh. Almost died there.
Take a picture real quick. That's what we're looking at right now. This is a 3-hour hike. 3 hours of hiking almost. So look at this. And as you can see, you probably can't see because of the fog up there, but there's more. There's higher mountain, there's higher up terrain over there. Get over next to some snow. But that's not worth climbing because one, two, and that for 10 days. But yeah, this is about as nice as it's gonna get. There's a giant drop off down there. I don't want to step any further. Anyway.
2 minutes.
Now this is about the location where you find jaguars
And man bear pigs.
and man bear pigs. And man bugs just be lethal up here.
And occasionally you'll find ligers.
Ligers. Actually, what we really came up here for was what we're recording for is see here, Washington's actually a very squatchy area. There's a lot of juvenile squatches out here, and yeah, we're actually out here hunting for Bigfoot, and we're going to be the first people to not only capture Bigfoot on camera, not any of that fake stuff, but we're going to kill it with our bare hands. I actually got some I actually got some Jack Link's beef jerky, and we're gonna go mess with Sasquatch, and we're gonna do it right.
On the next time of Jake and Angel in the mountains.
Part 3 coming up. To be continued.